There is one appliance in the kitchen that's used on a regular basis, but for some reason it's often neglected when it comes to cleaning and regular maintenance. This could lead to our health being at risk, so knowing how to clean and descale the kettle is essential. Neglecting to clean the kettle for long periods of time could lead to damage of the appliance and the need of deep cleaning that may not prove successful after all. Limescale buildup is the biggest problem, which causes higher electricity consumption as the kettle takes longer to warm up the water. In addition, limescale affects the water quality, which tends to worsen the longer the kettle is not cared for. In this video, we'll show how to clean a kettle with lemons or baking soda. Firstly, we're going to start with lemon and water. Cleaning a kettle with lemon and water solution is a natural and safe option compared to using other harsh chemicals. The lemons will not just destroy the limescale, but will also brighten up the interior of the kettle and provide a nice, invigorating smell. To start, cut a lemon into 2 halves and squeeze the juice into the appliance. When you're done, use the 2 halves to rub the inside parts to remove any hard water stains. Cut the lemon into small pieces and add the pieces to the lemon juice inside the kettle. Next, add approximately 500 milliliters of water to the mixture. You don't need to fill the kettle to the top. Just make sure you pour enough to cover the bottom elements and to fill the appliance halfway. Then you can turn the kettle on and let the solution boil. Leave it to boil for around 15 minutes. After that, disconnect the kettle from the power source. Leave the kettle for a couple of hours until it's completely cooled off. Finally, don't throw out the lemon water yet. Use a soft sponge and scrub the inside and the outside of the kettle thoroughly. Remove the mixture and rinse the kettle 4 to 5 times with warm water. Use a microfiber cloth to dry the outside of the kettle. Make sure the kettle is completely dry on the outside before connecting it to a power source to avoid hazards, and you're done. Your kettle will be sparkling again. Another natural cleaning option is to create a baking soda and water solution. Before proceeding with the cleaning, make sure the kettle is unplugged for your safety. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with 500 milliliters of water. Pour the solution into the kettle and let it boil for 15 minutes. Leave the mixture in the kettle for another 15 minutes. Pour out the solution and rinse a couple of times with cold water. This remedy is great for kettles which have been cleaned on a regular basis, but probably won't be enough for hardened limescale. If so, option 2 is to create a paste with a tablespoon of baking soda and a couple of water drops. Stir until the paste becomes thickened, then scrub the inside with a toothbrush until you see the limescale coming off. Finally, rinse and boil to check the quality of the water and whether more cleaning is required. Repeat again if you feel it necessary. That's it. Another great way to get a shiny, new-looking kettle. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on how to clean a toilet using baking soda and vinegar. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.